Hello, doctor. We are from Group Strange from CPAD Section 3. I'm Jung Fan, and today we're presenting about our project, which is the food ordering system for Universal Sambal. So, for this project, we developed the front end using the Vue.js 3 and then the back end using PHP Slim framework. And then for the database connection, we use PDO connection to MySQL database. We also deploy in mobile. You can see we use Android Studio to wrap the website and then log it into mobile application. So, okay, we can see the mobile view. It is taking the same element from the web and load into the mobile, but the thing is organized, as you can see. Okay, from the order history and then the chart, the profile. Okay, looks like similar to the website just now. So now I will be presenting about how user gonna use this system. So this system basically allow user to make the order and browse the menu. And then the complete flow will be presenting by other team members. So I will skip this part. I will show how user log into our website. So it's, let's say you are a new user. You need to register as a new user. So let me fill in the info and then create password. Okay, let me create a new account. Okay, you can see that I successfully logged into the website and then this is my profile. Okay, and then let's say if I want to log out as an admin. So currently I showing is the customer. So now I will show what's the different admin to the basic customer. Okay, now we come into the vendor dashboard. So customer we don't have this dashboard, but admin we have. This dashboard is for the user to view the data analysis and then view the incoming orders in one view. So they can manage their order easily. And also they can add their menu item or delete or edit their menu item. And lastly, they have an overview of their total sales. So this is easy for them to manage the data analysis. So similar to the user, they also have menu and orders and the homepage, so they can test is it their website having issues. So that's all for the authentication. And then I will pass to my team member to present the complete flow on how customer can make the order and how the admin can manage the order.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Lufazid bin Muhammad Abisol, and now I will present to you about our Universal Sambal apps to place some orders. So here we can open our apps. Okay. Alright. So here is our menu. We can see yes, it's also menu that we can maybe we can select the type, the level of spicy that we want. Okay, maybe we want the max level. Okay, we just add perfect combo to cart. Okay, and then if we want to explore more, okay, maybe we want to add we want to add ayam geprek sambal hijau, so just add to cart. Also the drinks we want, maybe we want to explore more drinks, right? So we can just explore drinks here. Okay, we just select favorite choose. Okay, and then we check out. Alright, so this we choose to delivery, and we want to choose, maybe we want to pay by COD, cash on delivery. Okay, cash on delivery, and then we just confirm. Alright, this we have finished to place our food. Okay, we have buy our food, we have bought our food. Okay, and then this is the order status dashboard. If it deliver or not, you can see here. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.
Hello doctor, my name is Daniel. So I'm going to explain on the workflow of the vendor, for example, by changing the order status or adding new items. So this is the customer dashboard, and let's go to the order step. So let's try to take order number 32 as an example. So go to the vendor dashboard. So this is what the vendor will see: the number of open orders and number of completed orders and the total sales and the availability of menu items. And also they can see the counter status counters. Pending currently I have 21 and others have 0. Let us do order number 32, click details. So they will be brought to this page where they can see the details of the order made by the customer. For example, like the phone number, delivery method, payment method, and total price, and the address, and the list of the menu items. And they can just scroll down here to see the dashboard and click this update drop down. They can change to on the way, for example. Now let's look at the customer page, and they will see that the status changed to on the way. They can also click view details and see the details of the order, the timeline, for example, the info, and let's try to do completed. So it'll take like maybe 5 seconds, I think. So yes, you see, changes to completed. And now let's try to demo the menu item. For example, you want to add menu item like nasi, ayam, geprek. Okay, this is a demonstration. Rice. Let's just say rice. Click that item, menu item added here, and you can scroll down and see that the item has been added. And if you go to menu, you can scroll down. Yeah, it's this one, nasi and geprek, 8.50. And let's try to change the availability of an item. For example, sold out this one, I'm going to press sambal rasa. Let's go to menu and we scroll down. You can see this sold out section, so it means that the item is sold out. Customer cannot add it. And we can also change current items. For example, we want to change this to 11.20, the price of this ayam geprek sambal tiga rasa. Click save changes and go to menu. Sambal tiga rasa, the price is also changed. And lastly, the sales records. So this is where the vendor can see the analytics of their sales, the total completed sales, completed orders, and also most popular items bought by their customers. So this is very useful for them. They want to identify some flaws in their menu items. So yeah, I think that's all for the demonstration and presentation as a whole. Thank you for listening.